Hello friends, welcome to Vegetarian Vlogs, and today I'm going to share you with a recipe of pasta sauce, and which is very easy and healthy, and you can make it in just a few minutes. So I will show you the vegetables you require. First of all, you need this red bell pepper and green capsicum and tomato, some of the garlics and some onions and little bit of water and some salt, and other spices will add during blending. So guys, you have to just add all these vegetables in the cooker, and you have to give it to like 2 whistles, or you can use the pan also and just boil all the vegetables around 10 minutes. So let's get started. So friends, I put all the vegetables in the cooker, and I took one piece of each, 1 tomato, 1 onion, 1 capsicum, 1 bell pepper, and now I am adding this much amount of water, just a little bit to get this steam, and some salt. I am using pink salt, and just cover the lid and just wait for 2 whistles. Friends, the steam mixture is ready. These are all the vegetables, and now it's time to add some seasoning. First of all, add just half a tablespoon of sugar into it to make it a little sweet. Sometimes the tomatoes, they are little sour in taste. Add some black pepper. Add some garlic salt. And add some Italian seasoning. So let's grind it to make it a paste. You can add some more salt if you want. You can see a thick, rich paste of pasta sauce is ready, and I'm going to use it as how to make it in pasta. So friends, for making pasta, you add olive oil in it. And just cook this sauce for about 5 minutes. And after that, you'll add your pasta. So after 5 minutes of cooking, now it's ready to add your pasta. Kids like to add tomato ketchup to it also. And if you want to add tomato ketchup to it, it will taste great. You can add basil leaves or coriander leaves for dressing. So friends, our yummy pasta is ready, and garnish it with cilantro. And hope you like this video, and please subscribe my channel if you like this video and you want me to share these kind of recipes.